Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today, we are going to be showing you guys how to use a not common feature, well, not commonly known feature, of scanning QR codes with your iPhone. It has a built-in application to do that. As you can see here, I have a QR code. So first, all you have to do, you don't even have to unlock your phone. You can do this, and then you point your camera right at the QR code, and then it'll pop up right here. QR code detected, open, since it's the Alienware. It'll say Dell.com. And just like that, it takes you to the place that was right on here. It's built right into the camera app. It doesn't have to be unlocked. You can also do it this way as well. Same thing. And just like that, that's how you open QR codes with the built-in QR code reader. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will catch you guys next time.